Hello everyone. So now we will discuss about your electroscope. So look, in that chapter some natural phenomena we have discussed about the presence of charge. Okay, we have gone through many experiments, like when you are rubbing your Unite rod with silk cloth or glass rod with any other cloth. Okay, so in that case you have observed that there is charge. So whether that Unite rod has charge or not, okay, without anything, how can we test it? Okay, so whether the object has charge or not, how can we find out that? Okay, so we can find out that by a device known as electroscope. Okay, so a device that is used to detect the presence of charge on a body is known as electroscope. Okay, so simply what the electroscope is, it can detect the presence of charge, means whether the object has charged or not. Okay, that can be detected by electroscope. So here we will discuss about a very simple type of electroscope, that is your pith-ball electroscope. Okay, so why it is called so? Because here we have a ball known as pith-ball, and this ball is very useful to detect the presence of charge in a body. Okay, so look at the structure of this one. This is an insulated stand, means it is made up of wood or any insulating substance. Then here this is a copper hook. Okay, so this copper hook and this is a silk thread, and the pith-ball is hanged from the copper hook. Okay, so this is the structure part. Now let's discuss about how it can detect the charge. Okay, so earlier let me have a Unite rod. Okay, and we will take the Unite rod of two cases. What initially first, it is normal. Okay, and bring the Unite rod towards the pith-ball. Then no any change will be observed. Okay, you are not going to observe any type of change in the pith-ball neither or the Unite. Okay, so now come to let's rub the Unite rod with the silk cloth. Okay, this is your Unite rod. Okay, so after rubbing the Unite rod with the silk cloth, okay, now bring the Unite rod towards the pith-ball. Now you will observe that the pith-ball will come towards the rod. Okay, the pith-ball will come towards the rod. So what does it show? Why? We know the Unite rod is negatively charged. We know now. Okay, so here the pith-ball is being attracted towards the Unite rod. What does it mean? It means as there is charge or negative charge, it has what? Positive charge. Okay, so ignore this part, whether this is negative or positive. This is charge. If attraction is happening, then it might have positive or negative, whatever charge it has, but it has charge, right? So this is how we can detect the presence of charge with a simple pith-ball electroscope. Okay, now come to the conclusion part. Here, movement of the ball means your pith-ball. What? No movement. If there is no movement on the pith-ball, then the object that is brought towards it is on charge, means it doesn't have any charge. Okay, next. If the pith-ball moves towards the body, means towards the body that is brought closer to it. Okay, in that case, if it is moving, then the object, the body that is brought close to it is what? Charged one, means the object has some charge. I hope clear? So here one thing just students know. Note it down that the simple pith-ball electroscope can only detect the charge. What? It can only detect the charge. It cannot identify the type of charge. Okay. I hope you are getting this. Pith-ball electroscope can detect the presence of charge, but it cannot help us to find out the type of charge possessed by the object. Okay. So for this, we will discuss about gold leaf electroscope, another new type of electroscope. Okay.